In this video, I will show you what is new in Neets Project Designer 1.5. I will show you all the control systems we have implemented, how to create labels, the new power on I/O, email notifications in Oscar and Echo Plus, Neets switching relay 4, how Neets integrate video conferencing, and what is new in scripting. With Neets Project Designer 1.5, it is now possible to create projects for even more control systems, including the new Echo Plus. With Project Designer, the process has been streamlined. You take the same familiar steps, creating a Quebec, Echo or a Delta project. Starting with system design, where you add your devices, screen controls and other connections. Then continuing with interface, where the keypad label or the touch interface is designed. Then functions, where you assign functions to the buttons, and make the project work. And feedback, where you make your system talk together with your devices. And finally upload, where you upload the project to your control system. It is unfortunately not possible to import your projects from Project Editor to Project Designer. You need to rebuild your projects in Project Designer. It is now possible to create labels from Project Designer. It is part of the interface design step. Let me show you how. Here we have an Echo Plus. With Project Designer, you have all the features of the interface designer to create your label. Like add in text, images, shapes and symbols. You can change the layout of a label to an EU or DK version, or to a horizontal or vertical layout. To design this label, I will start by add in a symbol. Symbols are new to Project Designer 1.5. And it has a range of great icons you can use when designing. Like this power icon. With symbols, you can change size and color just like you would do with text. To add text, you can use the text tool from the ribbon, or you can click the sample text. You can move the text. You can also group elements, move them together, and you can add shapes. Combining all this, you can create a great looking label. Now you just have to print it. That is how easy it is to create labels. New and improved power on I/O is now available in Project Designer. It works in the action tree. You can now add functions inside the if power is off statement. Let me show you how. Here I have opened an Echo Plus project. It has a projector and a screen, and I would like the screen to go down when the projector is powered on. Now I open Function and select one of the source buttons. Now drag screen control to the action tree and place it above the power on and set the screen to go down. I can also add other functions inside the if statement. Now the screen will always go down and the volume turned to 0 when the projector is powered on. And this has been added every place the projector is powered on. Like this VGA button. For the off button, you add the screen control as normal. That is it. The project is ready to be uploaded. Oscar and Echo Plus are now able to send email notifications. Let me show you how. Here we have our Echo Plus project from before. In feedback, I would like to receive an email when the lamp time is above 1000. Just add lamp hours as a feedback item. Add the send email function. You get this form. You just have to enter the email address and a subject. And last, the content of the email. Then click OK. And the email is ready to send. Neets Switching Relay 4 has now been integrated into Project Designer, and it works the same way as Neets Switching Relay 8. With Neets Project Designer 1.5, it is now possible to integrate Cisco video conference with Neets Alpha 2 and Delta. You find the video codec in the device list. Let me show you how it is added. You find the codec in the device list, and you just drag it in. You will be asked for the connection type and the login credentials. The video codec has now been added, and if you open Interface, you can see that several sub-pages have been added. More details on these sub-pages will be shown in a dedicated video. And support for more video conference systems will be added later. With Project Designer 1.5, it is now possible to do script coding in all control systems, all the way from a Quebec to the Delta. But with great power comes great responsibility. We have included many other changes and improvements in Neets Project Designer 1.5. See the full release note for further details. Thank you for watching. Find more information on neets.dk.